What's the meaning of apparent? Apparent. Apparent.
Apparent. Apparent. The term apparent refers to something that appears to be true or real, but may not necessarily be so. It is often used to describe situations where things are not completely clear, and more information or evidence is needed to confirm their true nature. For example, an apparent contradiction in a scientific theory may indicate the need for further investigation to resolve the issue. Overall, the term apparent suggests that caution and skepticism should be exercised until more evidence is gathered and analyzed.